21st last one. Compute the greatest common divisor of two positive integers using while loop. Okay. Using while loop, compute the greatest common divisor of two positive integers while using while loop. What is the greatest common divisor? Greatest common is nothing but suppose if you take two numbers, example 15, 10. Okay. These both numbers are divisible by same number. If you go which number? 5. 5 number is divisible by both numbers. So 5 is the greatest common divisor. Suppose if you take another two numbers, 27 and 9. 9, okay. Then 7 up 18, okay, if you take it. So these two numbers are divisible by 9 here, okay. 9 is the greatest common divisor, okay. So like that you have to do program. So you have to take the input from the keyboard, these two numbers, and you have to find the greatest common divisor of the two numbers, okay. Simple. Uh, First take the input from the keyboard. X is equal to int input, enter first number, okay. Next y is equal to int input, enter second number. Okay, enter second number. Now take the minimum value of these two numbers first, okay. Take the minimum value of x. Minimum function used to take the minimum value of these two numbers and check the condition of the while loop. While x percentage by d not equal to 0, or y percentage by d not equal to 0. Sorry, one is not equal to 0, okay. If if any condition is true, just decrement, okay. D equal to d minus 1. Towards the d here, these are minimum value of two numbers you entered, okay. So I'll explain in a minute. Print the greatest common divisor of x is, so x and the greatest common divisor of x and y is common d. Okay, the greatest common divisor of x and y is d. Means check the output now first. Enter first number, I'm entering 15. Enter second number, I'm entering 10. Okay, the greatest common divisor of 15 10 is 5. 5 is the greatest common divisor here. Okay, so observe here. Just take this minimum of these two numbers. Okay, x and y. Suppose if you take x is 15 and y is 10, the values to d is minimum of this 15 and 10 is 10. Okay, the d value number will be d variable is 10 now. Okay, number d value will be 15 percentage by 10. Okay, 15 percentage by 10. Suppose 50% by 10, 15 percentage by 10. Both are, if anything is true, not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, so d will be decreased by d. Okay. So if you take the greatest common is 5 now. So suppose if 15% is by 5 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, false here. Okay. And 15% is by 10. Okay. The 10% is by 5. That's also false. Okay. It comes out of the loop. Okay. And the d will be stored in the greatest common divisor. Okay. Simple one. If it is true, any condition is true, uh, the loop, okay, the d will be decreased by 1, okay, and then we check the conditions, okay. If it is false only, the d value will be stored and the greatest common divisor will get it, okay. So that's it about these are the sample programs. 21, these are 21 sample programs. So another some exercise I have given, you can check it. Some exercise to practice. So practice on your own. Solution also given. So I will not explain that one, but you practice on your own, okay. That some, if you want explanation, so there will be another uh, tutorial is there. Some programs I have explanation in other tutorials, so you can check there. Okay.